Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Layla and today I'm so excited to be filming this video because we are about to unbox my second Polene bag. A year ago, around the same time, I bought my first Polene seam and I am still obsessed with that bag. I wear it almost every day. I travel with it. I had my master's program for a year and every single day I was wearing that bag whenever I would go to work with my laptop because it was my go-to laptop bag. So that bag lasted me a year and I still use it, and hopefully it's still gonna last me much more. But I was looking for a bag that I can actually wear for everyday wear because I have Jacquemus and it's my favorite bag right now, but I only wear it for special occasions, and I really wanted to buy a more of an everyday bag that will last me long, that will look good. And honestly, I'm obsessed with Polene, and I was thinking about buying this bag, which you can see from the title of this video is Polene Neuf. I was thinking about buying it for the past few months and I finally did it. I was like, you know what, just do it, and I just did it. So let's unbox it together. Here is the bag in a box. So I decided to go with regular size, not mini, because I need a bag big enough to carry a book because I always have a book with me. Look at this packaging. Oof. That's so gorgeous. It comes in a dust bag. And the moment we have been waiting for. So gorgeous. Inside, well, the first thing I noticed is that it doesn't open wide enough, so that's a bit of an issue. Okay, so first impressions, I am happy with the size of the bag and with the color, because honestly, when I was shopping, I was not sure whether to get taupe color or beige, and because I already have my seam in this like light brown color, camel I think it's called officially on their website, so I didn't want to buy the same color yet again, but that one is my favorite. And honestly, I love beige accessories. Like I love usually beige bags, brown shoes. Black, it's okay, like it depends on the piece itself, but usually I love my accessories to be a bit lighter. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up wider and try to see. So it comes with the Polene tag as always, and nice, it comes with a belt, which is great because also it's adjustable, which is great because sometimes you just want to maybe wear it crossbody and have your hands free. But I'm not quite sure how exactly to put it in, so I might need to watch a tutorial, to be honest. Or does it open up? I'm not sure. Yep, we'll need to check out how to put it on, to be honest. Like, am I supposed to open this thing and just put it inside? Or how does it work? I don't know. And actually, it's really hard to get stuff out of the bag because the opening is so small and it doesn't extend further than this, which is not really pragmatic. But when it comes to fashion, nothing is ever pragmatic. Okay, so this is how the bag looks inside. I think a lot can fit in there. Let's try to fit a book. Okay, so I got here Alice Smith Autumn. Oh, it goes easily inside. So I think it's perfect for these, small, big things. So they're big, but not too big. So I think I could also fit my camera, for example, which is amazing because I can never fit my cameras anywhere and I need to ask my husband to carry them. And as you can see, the bag is big enough, but it's also not too huge, like next to your body at least. It looks like this. Even like this, that's already an outfit, right? And you can hold it in your hands, I guess, like this. But I think really with the size of this one, it would be great to have it on you, like crossbody style, I think. But it's also nice to just wear it by itself. So just a few words on where I bought it. Just like with my first Polene, I ordered it from their website. I think, from what I know, they have a store in Paris. So maybe if I would be traveling to Paris, I could pop in and actually purchase a bag from their store. But I live in Brussels and we don't have a store here. But delivery was very... Well, actually, the first time I ordered my seam, it was faster. This one, it was not fast. They actually sent me an email saying that it's gonna take longer. I don't know why. Maybe it's just too popular and they didn't have enough to ship out. I have no idea how it works, but had to wait a bit over a week. But I remember last time it came very fast, like within 3-5 days. But it's okay. What matters is that it came. Honestly, like, I'm super impressed, and it looks much better in real life than on their website, because like I said, when I was checking colors and I wasn't sure which color to get, I noticed that taupe is actually a very popular color and a lot of people were buying that one. But to me, it was like cold stone, right, color, and to me it was a bit too cold and I wanted something warmer. And like I said, it's just personal preference. I really like beige, but I wasn't sure what type of beige it is, if it's like a bit too yellowish, but it's very neutral, very dimmed, so I'm personally obsessed. So now I finally have a bag to wear every day, to just have my book with me, my cameras, my wallet, my phone, because even my phone doesn't fit to many of my bags because I love small bags. And I think, like, as I'm getting older, I really want to have everything I need with me. And I also think I wasn't sure about the color because it's fall now and, you know, I want to wear it during the winter time as well. And maybe beige is not the best color for colder seasons. I feel like it's more of a spring summer color. But at the same time, I can totally see it being styled with like darker coat and it being not a big deal that it's so light. But like I said, I didn't see enough of this color online, so I was a bit worried. But looking at it in real life, it's really gorgeous, and I think it's actually a bit darker in real life than on camera, so maybe it's even more suitable for colder seasons than it looks on camera, to be honest. If you live in Europe, this bag will cost you 450 euros, and the smaller version is 390 if I'm not mistaken, so it's not that big difference in price as much as it is more about your personal preference. For me personally, small one would be too small for everyday wear, whereas this one can actually fit enough items and it still looks very stylish. Also, I love that it does not have a zipper, but you can close it with 2 magnets inside, which is great. And then, like, honestly, it's really hard to get your hand in it, so feels safer than Polene seam, for example, that's like just very big tote bag that easily opens. So that was my unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you would like to see a video on Polene seam after 1 year wear, my thoughts, where I can like give you more opinion on that bag. But like I said, I loved it enough to want to purchase another Polene, but this time smaller and for everyday wear. I love how classy it is, how minimalistic it is. So for me personally, Polene for now, it's like one of my favorites, and maybe in the future I'll buy yet another Polene bag because I'm having an obsession currently with their bags. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my new uploads. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye.